Hey guys, it's Debbie and I'm in the back office of my WordPress blog site, and I wanted to show you how to create a post. Now, if you're new to WordPress and you're new to blogging, it may be something that you haven't worked out yet, and that's absolutely fine. So here I am in my dashboard, and I'm going to go down here on the left hand side where all the menu options are to posts. And when I hover the mouse over posts, I have a little pop-out menu that comes out, and I've got all posts, add new, categories and tags, and the one that I want to click on is add new. And a post is what shows on our blog, and it's where we write an individual kind of article about something. So I'm just going to create a blog post here now and run through all of the various little bits and pieces that I have in my blog. Now here's the title. You can see the cursors flashing, and I'm going to create a how to schedule, because I've just literally done a video on this, how to schedule a Facebook fan page post. Okay, let's put it like that. So that's the title of my new post, and here you can see there's the toolbar, and some of these icons you'll recognize, like bold, italic, strike through, the unordered list, justification, that kind of thing. There's also a spell checker, and then there's some icons here that you may not recognize because these are significant to the theme of my blog, and the theme that I use is Optimized Press because I like it. I like the layout of Optimized Press. I find it easy to use. And here on the second line we've got all of the different ways that we can actually create headings and paragraphs, underline, full justification. If you want to paste in from plain text, so if you want to paste in from a notepad, if you want to paste in from a WordPress, a Word document rather, then you can use these, and then there's some other bits and pieces that you can use. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to write text, and I'm going to select it and put Control C on my keyboard and then Control V, which will give me lots and lots of text like that. Lots and lots of text. Okay, so now that we've got something in the body of the post, I'll just go over a couple of the icons here. So if I select some of the text and click B, it makes everything bold. If I click and drag across again to select it and then make it italic, it's made just that section there italic. If I want to select something in the middle, so what I'm doing is I'm putting the cursor in place and then clicking and dragging across by keeping my finger on the mouse button. If you're using a laptop, you would keep your finger on the left click button and drag across with your finger. I'm going to change the colour. I'm going to make this bit red, and I'm going to make this bit bold and underlined, and so there you can see what's happened with the text. If I don't like something, I've got the option of undoing the text here. So a lot of people tend to write their blog posts outside. They maybe write them in a notepad or a Word document, and you can paste them into Word from there. I personally tend to like to write mine right in the middle of the WordPress post. Let's just pop over here. On the right hand side we've got the options for publishing. So if we wanted to save the draft, we can. If we want to preview what our post looks like, we can. So I'm going to save it by clicking on save. Little timer comes up. Don't worry, it hasn't disappeared for good. And the status at the moment, if we click here on edit, it's in draft, and there's a drop down for pending review, but we want it to stay in draft. And the visibility is, at the moment we're making it visible to public. We can password protect a post, or we can make it completely private. If we click on private, it means that we have to just give somebody the URL, which is up the top here, or we can password protect it. which you might want to do if you're giving away a free audio or a free video training on something, but I'm going to leave it on public for the moment. And then we've also got the publish, and this is where you can schedule the times that you want this post to go out. So at the moment it's scheduled for May the 12th. Now I could change the date there to another day later in May, so that I could maybe have a whole day of creating content. So for example, if I'm going away on holiday and I create 7 pieces of content because I'm away for 7 days, and schedule one for each day to go out at various different times. So that's what I can do there. Cancel that and it will just publish it immediately, and down here is where we've got the actual publish button. Now OptimizePress has some various different things, so if I scroll down the page, most blog websites in WordPress have a categories section, and these are some categories that I've added, and they will come up on the front of the blog once it's been published, and you can go in, click these links, and they'll take you to any post that has the same category. So for example, I might have done 4 or 5 posts on online marketing tools. This one, it will be, the category is going to be blog. I will create a video, or I have created a video, so that's going to go in there as well. And it's all about social media, the one that I've created, so that's going to go in there for the videos, and social media for the actual blog itself as well. Tags is where you can add different where you tag the post itself. So for example, if I tagged it with Facebook, if I had a tag cloud, it would and I clicked on the Facebook, it would bring up all of the various blog posts related to Facebook that I'd created on this site. Down below there's some more interesting things, different things that I use for search engine optimization. If I want to have a little thumbnail image, I need to upload an image here, and we'll cover that in another tutorial at another time. So that's basically what we would do to create a post on your blog site. Once you've created the post and you're happy with everything, then you would hit publish, and it would go live onto your website. So guys, if you would like to get some more tips and tricks, let me show you where you can actually go straight away. So I'm going to show you the preview. So here's the preview of what we've created, and here if you come over to me at debbieshort.com, and you can put in your name and email details to get more of my news and updates and top tips that I shall be giving away on a regular basis. Yeah, just pop in your details here, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, speak to you soon. Bye for now.